Sorry for being a party stopper here, but I'm here to tell you that there's a 96% chance that you're going to be failing in this knowledge business because of having lack of awareness of what's there in the top 4%. Okay, please stay till the end of the video because I'm going to be very straightforward in this particular video and tell you why there's a highest chance that you are never going to make it in this business. And the only way that you can break through is by understanding what is there in this 4%. Let's get in and let's understand how this works. Siddharth Rajshekhar here. Thank you so much for watching this video. And I'm very, it's not just a hook here that I'm actually making you come and watch this video. I'm genuinely telling you that there is a 96% chance that you are not going to make it in a knowledge business. And I'll tell you the reason why. Because most people, they're expecting different results without changing themselves. You cannot be in the same mold and expect a different result. You cannot expect to be the same person and expect a different result. And you know what? Change is the hardest thing. People want to resist change. And resistance of change is at different levels. Resistance in terms of like even doing videos like this, it all starts with the mindset, you know. Because when your mindset is too concerned about what other people think, when your mindset is too worried about, okay, how are you going to feel? Or what if people criticize you online? Or what if it does not work? What if it does not work? You know, all those what if fears that are there in your head, which is lingering, which is there for everyone. 96% of this population is there because they don't move forward, they don't take action because they allow that thought process to linger in their minds and they allow that thought process to overpower them. Okay, so the first factor is the mindset. And there's a 96% chance that you are going to be succumbing to those words that your mind is telling you on why you should not be doing this and why you should be safe and why you should be comfortable and why you should not do this because there are so many other things which are unknown. Fear of the unknown. And what ends up happening is when your mindset is like that, you're not able to do anything else afterwards. Like you'll start to give tags to yourself. You'll start to call yourself, I'm not a technical person. I'm an introvert. Or I'm not sure if I can do this. I'm this, I'm that, I'm too young, I'm too old, I'm just a student, I'm a senior citizen, I'm this. You know, when you are giving yourself a tag that actually stunts your growth. Because when you're not open to the next possibility, the newer possibility, then there's no chance. And that is why 96% of people don't move. Okay, so first is the mindset element. Because once your mindset is fixed, then you will have a different sense of confidence to do things. Then one word is confidence. In fact, I would like all of you to type the word confidence in the comment box below. Without confidence, nothing's going to work. And confidence will only come when you are able to overcome those internal fears. And I'll tell you, everybody has fears. I also have fears. Everybody has fears. A lot of people have internal fears, but it's all about how you deal with the fear. Can you make fear a friend and still do it anyway in spite of the fear? That's what is the magic here. There's nobody on this planet who is living fearlessly, even though it may seem from the outward. Even the greatest soldiers, they will have fear inside when they go to that point, the vantage point to go and, do and go and get the enemy. The same thing happens. None of us are different from each other. We have different aspirations and goals. When I'm saying as humans, we have the same natures, but how we deal with that nature is going to determine our results. How we respond to the situation is going to change the outcome. So start with the mindset. When you have the right mindset, then you will start to have better confidence in your communication. And confidence is the key here. I would say, all the money that I've made in the last 2+ years, like attracting over 10,000 customers, is purely based on the confidence that I have in myself, confidence that I have in my products, and confidence that I have in my system. Your belief level is going to be determining the outcomes of whatever comes later. Okay, so if you're not believing in what you do, if you don't believe in yourself, then again, you'll be in the 96% of the category or just, doing things, going with the flow. There's no purpose. They're just going with the flow, going with life. Everybody's doing something, so they're also doing it. Okay. Now, what is the success over here? Success is subjective. I agree with you on that. It's not just about money. There are different aspects of success. Some people have a lot of money, but they don't have time. Some people have a lot of time, but they don't have money. Some people have money, they have time, but they have poor health. Some people, they have money, they have time, they have good health, they have bad relationship. Okay. So there are so many aspects to this. So success is a very holistic thing. It is like multi-dimensional, I would say multi-dimensional fulfillment. Okay, is according to me, it's what success. And also my mentor, I listened to Earl Nightingale. He says success is the progressive realization of a worthy ideal. When you have a worthy goal which is beyond yourself, bigger than yourself, then that is the path to move towards. And it is not a destination, it is who you become in the process. Okay. So the 96% of people don't really think about these things. They're not very clear about their goals. They're not very sure about what they want. They're living in this constant state of fear and internal stuff that's going on inside their head that does not allow them to break through their own barriers, inside barriers. And I'll tell you with all honesty, I was in this situation for a very long time. More than 5 to 7 years. I was living in fears. I was a people pleaser. I knew I was good at what I was doing, but I was not able to vocalize it. I was not able to take a stance on things. I was not able to really take responsibility of my own money. I mean, I cannot point fingers at anyone. I have to point fingers only at myself. And because of that, the day that I accepted and I said, okay, now enough is enough. Let's move on. And it's time for me to drop that ego. Let me surrender to one mentor. Let me follow what the mentor says. Somebody's getting results. Let me just blindly follow it. And I got results. Okay. So results, it comes when you drop that over intelligence which is there inside your head. Okay. Most people, they're living in these fears. They cook up a story, an internal story on why they should not be able to do that. And they substantiate that with rationalization and logic and so-called intelligence. And they become overly smart, thinking that they know everything. And that's the problem. And that's the problem that I was in for a very long time. And when I accepted the reality of my situation without beating myself and putting myself down, and when I started to take action towards following somebody who's modeling, I started to model somebody who's getting results, then things started to change. And it did not happen overnight. It happened day by day by day by day. So this entire game, a lot of people don't persevere. The perseverance is not there because there is no clear vision. If you are somebody who is able to wake up every day looking forward to the goal that you want to achieve, like for example, my goal is to help create 1 million digital teachers who can in turn create a positive change in society with the knowledge and skills that they have. Now that is the vision. I wake up every morning thinking about that and how I can serve my community. If you don't have that kind of a vision, which is very clear, then the fears will take over. And when the vision is not clear, you will get allured by all the shiny objects that are there in the internet space. And you'll start buying one thing after the other, thinking that thing is going to help you get the success, without understanding that, first of all, you're not even clear on what you want. Like everybody's talking about tactical knowledge, Instagram reels. They're talking about all, the latest stuff that's happening right now, the latest tool, the latest Facebook ad tactic, the Google ad tactic. But all those tactics have no use if you don't have a clear vision. And that's why 96% of people, in spite of buying courses, in spite of knowing what to do, they are not able to get the result because it is not rooted into a vision. It is not rooted from a point of confidence where the mindset has actually been fixed. And the mindset will never get fixed for good. Even if you have been doing it for many years, this is like having a bath every day. It's like eating food every day. It will never get fixed in one day. Or if you fix it once, it's not going to be like, forever. You have to keep washing the mind. You got to literally brainwash yourself every single day to focus on what you want. And here brainwashing is what? Wash all the junk out of your head on a daily basis. Just like how you eat every day, you have bath every day, you got to feed your mind every day, you got to wash your brain every single day. And most people don't do that because of fear, because of mindset, because of external stuff. And they look for the shortcuts, shortcut tool, shortcut method. Wherever the marketing message is really attractive, they just go for that, and they end up buying it, and they go through it, and then they go for a little while, and then the fear kicks in and they take that one step back. That's why 96% of people fail. So I'm glad that you're watching this video till this point, because this is an important point. Now, whether you're a coach, you're a trainer, you're a speaker, you're a teacher, whatever may be the case, okay, this is the reality of the situation. And I'm not here to tell you that I'm perfect. I'm always a work in progress. And with all honesty, I'm telling you, I'm who I am. I'm what I am today because of my mentors, because of my teachers who helped me along the way, who showed me the way, who gave me the right way of thinking at the right point in my life, and that changed my life. So in fact, this video here is more like I'm installing a new thought process into your head, where if you finish this video and go back to life, you're probably going to be living a much better quality life, provided you apply this, provided you're able to look at the world from this lens of vision. Okay, so what I would like all of you to do right now, if you're watching this video right now, I want you to just type in the comment box on what is the biggest thing that is keeping you stuck right now, and what are you going to do about it? How are you going to deal with the situation, and what is that forward step that you're going to take to overcome that? I want to actually read your comment. Okay, whether you're watching this on Facebook or on YouTube or what, I want you to actually write a comment on what is that big stumbling block which is inside your head, and what are you going to do to overcome it, and proclaim it in the live space in the comments below. Let everybody see it, because you can see other people's comments as well. And when you throw it out in the open, you'll start to be more accountable to yourself, and you'll stop giving excuses to yourself. Okay, so I just want to tell you that if you found this video useful, and if this actually impacted you, please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you have not done so yet. I keep sharing more videos like this, and I want to share more straight talking, point shooter style videos like this if you are somebody who is able to resonate with this content. Okay, so let's subscribe, stay connected, and I look forward to serving you in my future videos. All the best.